Again, we are going to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers in which the denominators are not equal. First of all, we have to make the denominators
They're
equal.
same.
Then we will do as our
5 rational
problems.
numbers.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, after doing that, we should write 5 rational numbers.
5 rational numbers. We have to find 5 rational numbers between. Okay. So write the first question. Write your first question. Find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
By 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Okay. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Their denominators are not equal. First
Yes.
of all, we will make the denominators of both of them equal.
Same. Ma'am, by multiplying.
Okay. So we will make the denominators 4.
Same.
Denominator of 1 by 2 is equal to 4. How?
4.
By
1 by
multiplying
2
Into 2.
numerator and denominator by 2.
2.
If you are multiplying, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So it will be 2 by 4. Now the rational numbers between 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. What is next step?
Ma'am,
Next step.
I'm into 10.
Ma'am, we have done this
Ma'am, we
question
have
once.
done this last class.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If anybody didn't and if anybody
Yes,
didn't come
ma'am.
for that class, those children can do now. Okay. After that, we will continue with the next question. Okay. If anybody cannot attend the class, do it now. So it is 20 by 40 and
10 by 40.
10 by 40. Therefore, the required rational numbers are
11 by
11.
40.
required rational
12 by
numbers
40.
are
11 by
40.
12 by 14. By 40.
sir. Any 5 no question. So 11 by
40.
11 by 40.
Ma'am,
12 by
40.
40.
ma'am, denominator.
Ah.
Last year we were doing 4 into 2.
4 into
2. To find the denominator.
to find the denominator.
Yes.
And did you make here both numerator and denominator you multiplied by 4? I didn't understand. Tell me, Mithun.
Ma'am, how we will find denominator?
How we will find a denominator? Or make them equal. That's your
Ah,
asking.
yes.
Okay. See, suppose 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Here the denominators are 3 and 5. So what we will do? We will
Ma'am, 15.
we will make the denominators 50.
Same.
So in 1 by 3 we need to multiply by 5.
5.
15 means 3 into 5. That way we are getting the 15.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
is okay. So 5 by 15 and 1 by 5 we will multiply it by
Into 3.
3. So we will get 3 by 15. Okay, Midun?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So here the denominators are 13 by 40. Any 5 no. So 14 by 40 and 15 by 40. Okay. So next question. This you have done earlier. So you can find 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Find any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. That you can do. 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Any 5 rational numbers. So first of all, 1 by 3 we will make 1 by 3 into 5 by 5. Denominator we will make, changes to 15. So it is 5 by 15. And 1 by
1
5
by
we
5
can changes to
into
1
3
by,
by 3.
yes, 3 by 3. So it is 3 by 50.
3,
What
50,
next?
3
Now the
by
denominators are same.
Yes.
Now we will
yes,
multiply
In
by 10.
10.
Both
10
numerator
into
and denominator
1
we will
by 10.
multiply by 10. So
10.
50 by
10.
150.
So
Here
50 by
30.
150.
Correct.
Then
30 by
30 by 150.
150. Therefore, the required rational numbers are
Um,
31 by
31, 32,
31 by 150, 32 by 150.
150,
okay. You can write
150,
any. Write any.
32 by 150,
31.
40 by 150, 60, 16 അല്ല, 14 by 150, then 41 by 150, then 49 by 150.
Can write any of them. 35 by, you can write any of the rational numbers. 40 by 150, 41 by 150, 49 by 150. You can write any of the rational numbers. Okay. So shall I give one more question?
Yes.
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Over all of you? Jeevan,
Yes.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ.
Yes ma'am.
Shankari,
Yes, ma'am.
keep quiet. Unmute your audio. Next one. Find 5 rational numbers between. Find 5 rational numbers between negative 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Negative 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Negative 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So, first of all, we have to make the denominator
Same.
as
Same.
6.
Same.
So, for making 6, what we have to find?
3 into 2.
Yes.
3 into 2.
Here we will multiply it by 3, and in 5 by 3 we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, so it becomes negative 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Understood?
Yes.
Tia,
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Abhinav, Gopi Krishna, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivanand, understood? Thomas Chaco?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, good. Krishnaveni, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's next, Krishnaveni? What is the next step?
We should divide it by 10 or 100.
Okay. Okay, we will do it by 100. Not only division, multiplication also we have to do. Krishnaveni. Not only division, both multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Either by 100 or by 10 you can do. So it is negative 900 by 600. Here it is 1000 divided by
Ma'am, we can do by 10.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I
You
done by
just
10. 90
correct.
by 60 and 100
No
by
problem.
60.
I just given another example. No problem. If you multiply by 10, that also correct. Now you can write any 5.
91 by
Negative. Okay.
101.
Now, 1 second. Here it is negative. So you have to write between negative 900 and 1000. So negative 901, is it lies between these two?
No.
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 So you cannot write negative 901. It is left side of 900. So which one we will write?
Ma'am,
You just imagine our number line.
Negative 899.
That we can do. This is negative 900. And here our 1000. 1000 is positive. So this is negative 800. That is correct. Negative 800.
900 and
Negative 800 and
Ma'am,
600.
negative
899.
891.
899.
Positive 800 also there. 600. Then any numbers. Negative 700 you can write. And 1 by 100, 1 also you can write. 1 by 600 also you can write. Because
And
1 is,
negative 72.
very good. Negative 72 by 6. Any of the numbers you can write. Any 5. Okay? Yes. Yes. Ask. Tell me, who's that? Steve, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is asking, who's that? Any doubt, anybody?
No.
Like Shivanya, Alan Joy, understood?
Yes.
Evelyn, you got it? Evelyn, Safa, Alan Joy, switch on your video. Shivanya, switch on your video. Understood, Shivanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Find 5 rational numbers between negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Find it. Do it, all of you.
Negative
2 by 5 and 1 by 2.
Good now. Ma'am, 30 by 60 and negative 40 by 60.
With you?
Now we can do by
Ma'am,
10. 10. 5
10.
30 by
5
10.
twos are 10.
Yes, 10. So negative 4 by 10 and what? 5 by 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Then we can multiply to 10.
Multiply by 10. So negative 40 by 10 and
Negative 50 by 10.
negative is not there.
5 by 10.
5,
Sorry, 5 by 10.
50
50
by
by 10.
100. Not 10. Multiplying by 10 both sides. So it is 40 by 100 and negative 40 by 100 and 50 by
50
100.
by 100.
Okay, now you can write any 5 rational numbers. Over?
and can I explain?
Yes, sure. Who's this?
Midun.
Okay, Midun. Tell me.
Ma'am, this one can I explain again?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. You want to explain?
Yes.
Okay. Negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay. Hmm? So we have to make both the denominators same.
Same.
For that, negative 2 by 5, we will multiply by 2. Negative 4 by 10. Okay, Midun.
Okay, ma'am.
1 by 2, we will multiply this 5. Both numerator and denominator. So 5 by 10. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So my negative 40 by 100 and here
50 by
50
100.
by 100. Understood?
Yes.
Now you can write, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Allah Jinsan, understood? Allah Jinsan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, anybody want to explain once again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move to the next topic?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are going to find out the position of these rational numbers on number line. Number line, we know what is a number line. On left side, all the negative numbers, and right side all the positive numbers, and in the middle our zero is there. And we are going to find the position of the rational numbers on number line. Okay. Okay. Now I'm asking you, 1 by 2 lies between which of the two numbers? 1
Zero and
by
one.
0 and 1.
1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Next, my question is 3 by 4. Where it lies? It lies between which of the two numbers? 3 by 4. How we will find? We will divide 3 by 4. Okay. Can we divide 3 by
And
4?
zero.
So we will put 0 point. Okay. So you just find out the integer part. Here it is 0. So it lies between 3 by 4 lies between 0 and the next number. That lies between 0 and 1. One more question I am asking you. 7 by 9. 7 by 9 lies between where? 7 by 9.
Zero and one.
This
and
also
one.
while dividing we will start 0. So lies between 0 and 1. And one more. 8 by 7. 8 by 7 lies between
1 and 2.
1 and 2 are 0.
Ma'am,
1 and 2.
yes,
Ma'am,
8
1
divided by 7, integer part 1 point.
1 and 2.
So find the integer part only, 1. And the next number is 2. So it lies between 1 and 2.
2.
So can I ask one more question? What about 9 by 4? 9 by 4.
And
2 and 3.
9 by 4
2
while dividing
2 and 3.
2 points.
2 and 3.
On dividing 9 by 4, we will start with 2 points. So it lies between
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
and 3. Did you understand how we will
Yes.
find where that
Yes,
number
ma'am.
lies, that position
Yes.
between two numbers? In second, some more. Okay, all of you see 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 9. These see this 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 7 by 9. In all these three rational numbers, numerator is less than denominator, isn't it?
Yes.
Numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, the rational numbers lies between 0 and 1. When the denominator,
Ma'am, should I write
yes,
this in the notes?
yes, yes. When
Ma'am, should I write this in the notes?
we okay, I will write on the board. I will write on the board. Wait. When the numerator is less than the denominator, those rational numbers are lies between 0 and 1. Right? Right.
Can you repeat it again?
I will write on the board. For a rational number, if numerator is less than the denominator, then it lies
In 0.1.
between 0 and 1. Write examples.
Ma'am, 1
by 2, yes. Those examples you can write. 1 by 2 lies between
0.1.
0 and 1.
0
And
and 1.
3
3
by
by 4.
7. Any examples you can write. Lies between 0 and 1. Then which one you want? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 lies between 0 and 1. Write any. And 8 by 9. 8 by 9 lies between 0 and 1. Understood? This one all of you understood?
Yes.
Okay. All of you wrote?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, next one.
Next,
Four.
I'm going to give you some questions. Find out the following rational numbers are lies between which of the numbers. Okay, that you have to find.
Ma'am, 8 by 7, therefore a rational number numerator is greater than denominator, no?
Yes, in that case, we have to find out the integral part 8 by 7. So we will divide. 1 point will come. So it lies between 1 and 2. 8 by 9 I gave. Finally, not 7. 9 I gave.
9.
8 by 7 lies between 1 and 2. You find out 8 by 6.
8 by 6.
It's repeating. Find out these numbers lies between. It's repeating.
Ma'am, echo is coming.
Echo is
Echo's coming.
And one sound.
I just repeated.
Now it's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Now also echo is there?
I'm sorry.
No.
Now it's okay.
Now
No,
it's
it's
okay.
No,
okay.
it's okay, ma'am.
Okay,
No, it's
okay. Find out. 8 by 6 lies between 1 by 1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 we have done. 8 by 6. 8 by 6 lies between 1 and
2.
1 and 2. Similarly, find. Don't say the answer. I will ask one by one. Gopi Krishna, you have to answer the second one. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Divide 3 by 2. So what is the integer part? Try to divide 3 by 2. Integer part is? Gopi Krishna got first answer?
4
Second.
second.
Huh?
4 second.
What?
Ma'am, first question or second question?
Second one. Second one.
Ma'am, lies between 1 and 2.
Correct. Between 1 and 2. Correct. Between 1 and 2. Correct. Next, Varda, Fatimat, Rolgar, switch on your video. Varda, next answer.
Ma'am,
4 by 5 lies between
0 and 1.
Varda.
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 5 lies between
Ma'am, 0 and 1.
0 and 1.
6 by 7.
0 and 1. Next, Shasa. 6 by 7 lies between 6 by 7 lies between
0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 and 1.
Shasa. Keep quiet others.
0 and 1.
Lies between 0 and 1. 9 by 8. Krishnaveni, 9 by 8.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
9 by 8 lies between which of the numbers? That we are asking.
Ma'am,
1
1
and
by 2.
1 by 2. 1 and 2.
1
1 and 2, not 1 by 2. 1 and 2, not 1 by 2. Lies between 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, Varada. Understood?
Not Varada Krishnaveni.
Krishnaveni, yeah. Okay, Alina Varghese, sixth one. 8 by 3 lies between
8 by 3.
8 by 3 lies Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni is not there. Okay,
Ma'am.
Alina Varghese.
1 by 2. 1 and 2.
8 by 3.
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
Wait,
2 and 3.
Krishnaveni,
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
Wait. Krishnaveni, you try to divide 8 by 3. What will come? What will come? Krishnaveni, can you hear me, Krishnaveni?
Ma'am, some voice is coming.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you divide 8 by 3. What you will get first? What is the integer part? Divide 8 by 3. What you are getting? How we can divide 8 by 3, Krishnaveni?
Ma'am,
2.
2.
2 point will come, isn't it?
Yes.
So 2.
lies
Integer part
between
is
2 and
2. So it lies between which
and
of the
3.
two numbers, Krishnaveni?
2 and 3.
2
Yes,
and 3.
good. 2 and 3. Understood how to find?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 8 by 3 lies between 2 and 3. 8 by 3 lies between 2 and 3. Okay? Today we have one more period. Only this period?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, only this period. Okay.
Only one
So,
period.
next we are going to point out or find the position of these rational numbers on number line. For that, first of all of you take your pencil and scale.
Draw one line.
Then draw a line. Draw a line.
Ma'am, we should draw small lines between them.
No, you just draw a line. All of you draw a line. Okay, and you write a question. Represent. Write a question. Represent 1/3. Represent 1/3 on number line. On the number line. Represent 1/3 on the number line. This is the question. Represent 1/3 on the number line.
Ma'am.
Did you all draw the line?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we need to represent 1/3. So we know that 1/3 lies between
0 and 1.
very good. Between
0
0
and 1.
and 1.
1.
0 and 1. And you find out the denominator is 3, isn't it? The denominator is 3. Now you mark any point as 0. Take one point, any of the point as 0.
0.
It's number line. Anywhere we can mark 0. From the positive and negative numbers are starting. And this is the point 0. This is the point 0. Now, since we need to find 1/3, mark 3 equal distance on that line. 3 equal distance on that line. So 0. This is 0. 3 equal distance on that. And this we will write as 1. So 0, we got 0 and 1. And 0 we can write 0/3, isn't it?
Yes.
And
First part is 1/3.
1 we can write 3/3. 3/3 also 0, isn't it?
Yes.
So here we will write it is 0/3 and this is 1/3. Then also they are equal to 0 and 1. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So if this is 0/3, what will be the first point?
1/3.
Yes, it is 1/3. And the second point is which one?
2/3.
2/3.
So what is our question?
Find
1/3.
represent 1/3.
Represent 1/3. That is the question. So from this point, draw a line and write this is our 1/3. This point is the 1/3. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, we will do some more questions on this to next class because our time is up. If anybody didn't understand, don't worry. We will do some more questions of same type on next class. Okay? I will send some homework, not on this, our previous portion. I will send some homework. Okay?
And notes.
You have to do those questions on notes. What we are doing all the problems on the board. You are doing it on your notebook. Then again, no. Okay, everything we are writing on your notebook. I will send homework questions that you have to do in your book. Nothing, no other notes. Okay, because all the problems we are doing on the board and you are doing in your book also. Homework questions you have to do in your notes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Representing rational numbers we will do.
Hearing.
All of you mute your